to identify a high productivity salesperson? This is an essential question when selecting a candidate for commercial functions. To answer this question, we reviewed various scientific investigations that have identified certain individual traits and characteristics as predictors of business performance. We synthesized the scientific evidence in the Sales Performance Predictor, or SPP test. Developed as a specialized predictor of sales performance used for both selection and evaluation of your sales force. The SPP allows predicting business performance based on 7 factors. Identification with sales role, positive relationship building, ability to take risks, achievement, extraversion, influence, recognition of emotions. The evaluation process is very fast, as the evaluated person answers the 58 items online in 10 minutes, generating an immediate report. For further information, please do not hesitate to contact us. www.vya.consulting